Well, hello and welcome out into the garage again. This is only part 5, yeah, I think. Yeah, so look, it's basically completed. I've got a bit of trimming to do. You know, I've got to cut these brackets at the top to match in with this angle, both sides. I've got a little bit of filing to do to clean up these corners here. And everything so far has worked out, you know, reasonably well. I've changed the blinkers. I've bought these little rectangular ones, hoping that they'll give me a bit more flash and also a little bit more to the side, and also just to change the style of it, sort of thing, you know, something different. Now, I've got some of this imitation carbon on order, so I'll redo that piece, redo that, and then I'm going to do this outside here in carbon. So it's nearly there, it's nearly finished. And of course, once I get this set up correctly, then I've got to go in and build weld on a plate, a shaped plate in here to put my USB port and the switch for the ABS and set all that up. So it's basically finished. The other thing I'm contemplating is these little floodlights. I put them on because I had them, and you know, if I put them on somewhere, I don't really want to put them up here high where there'd be more flex, and you know, I could mount them down there. And the other thing is, I'm also looking at probably not putting them on at all. I mean, I only put them on because I had them from a previous bike, and I just thought, oh yeah, something to do, put them on. So I'm seriously thinking about leaving these off, and because it's starting to get a bit, maybe getting a bit too busy for the area. But otherwise, it's come up all right. So just a bit of filing and finishing off, paint the parts again, and cover this with the carbon fibre, and then do that. It's slow, tedious work, you know, because when you're doing it by hand and you haven't got the precision you get with, you know, computer-aided design or laser cutting. There's all the jiggling and mucking around, you know, but otherwise it's coming up all right. I don't mind the style of it. Maybe it just looks a bit too big in there or something. I really don't know, but it's something different to what everyone else has got. You know, you don't see anything like it, you know. So yeah. I won't be doing, well, I'll be doing another video, but it'll be a while before you'll see the finished product, because all this has got to come apart now, so I can trim up all this and file it, sand it all back ready for painting and that. And then before I paint it, I've got to put it on so that I can, back on so I can work out what I'm going to do in this area here. I pretty much got an idea with it, so we'll see how it goes.